back! In this video, we will next explore hooping around the knees. Sounds tricky, right? It's actually easy once you get a hang of it. It is a useful skill to learn if you ever plan to do an on-body hoop split. As usual, make sure you're warmed up before going any further. So let me show you how to move the hoop around the knees. So first thing first, don't bend your knee like this because see there's no space for the hoop, right? So make sure that your knees are straight, your legs are straight, and then you place your hoop right behind. Let me show it to you from the front, right? So place the hoop right here, look up, push and start going in circles. What I'm doing is I'm squeezing my knees together and that will make sure that the hoop stays in a horizontal plane. You can keep your hands on the waist and continue to do this for as long as you want, right? Now it also helps to start going in circles like this without lifting your leg off the ground. That will give you a very good spin around your knees. Now, while hooping around your knees, ensure proper body posture. Keep your back straight, avoid looking down to see what's happening, right? Look up and gaze at one spot, which will help you focus. So, how did that go? Remember, warm up before hooping and cool down after. Never hurts to keep our basics strong. Happy hooping!